Alright guys, race number 2. Birds were released at 8 a.m. It's 9:13. Speed shows 2700. So this is the weather. This is what we got here. Really cloudy. Even it's getting dark. The sun is right there. On the morning, it used to be like this, but now all the dark clouds coming this way from east, southeast. The birds coming that way, southeast, and yeah, it's getting worse. The wind start picking up, but we already knew about this weather. Really cloudy today, and it's probably gonna start raining. Probably 30% chance of rain around 2 or 5 p.m. So hopefully the birds can make it before the rain. I think tomorrow is gonna be raining probably, but let's see how they do. I released these two. One is a late hatch, and the other one it has only 8 flights. So all right guys, so see you in a bit. 117 miles again. Last week we canceled the race, so the birds they've been for 2 weeks here. So see you in a bit guys. Come on, come on. Oh guys, I missed the drop. Big drop. Sorry guys, I went inside. Two, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, around 19. So let's see all of them. Clock. Yeah. 18. I got 18 on the clock. On the clock on the drop. Sorry guys. Just went inside for 2 minutes. There's another 2. Gristle. Looks like red from Adrian P. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's your red, Adrian. There's another one. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. You scan. Even if it was a short race, I grabbed one, kind of skinny. I thought it wasn't mine. Come on, come on. Another one. So that one came straight from south. set another antenna inside. So this is what I do. Come on, come on. So they have to go through. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Sorry guys, I really screwed the video. I went inside for this, for the tacos. Just in and out. When I came back, I see a bunch of birds on top of the loft. All right guys, sorry. Okay guys, let's do a little update. The speed shows 900 already. So yeah, 900 is 11:27. Not many birds on benzene light. So I think I have 24 birds on the clock. I sent 52. There's another 2. Come on. Come on. Let me move out of the way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see if that one is mine too. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Come on. Come on. Okay. Another 2. So 24. Yeah, 24. Yeah, 114 and 162, 132. Okay. No, I mean 26. I got 26 out of 52, so missing 26. There's another 2. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That one must be another pine. Yeah. There's another 2, but one is not mine. It's kind of white drizzle. And one is a grizzle. So the grizzle is mine, white drizzle, not mine. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. You guys late. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where you guys been? Another 5. Total of 36 I believe. Let's check. Yeah, 36. Well, guys, it's around, let me check the time because it's already rain. And it's 5:51 and I got 44. Let me see. 5:51, I got 44 out of 52. Rain and stop already. So hopefully we can get more bursts in 1 more hour. And tomorrow is raining too, but only 35%. So we'll see tomorrow. All right, guys, it's Monday, day after the race. So we got 45 birds. The sky is gonna clear a little bit, so it shows that we're gonna have like 3 hours of sun. So hopefully few birds coming back today. So I'm going work and I'll show you how many came back today, or just to close the video. I will feed minerals and water for the birds. So like I said, 7 birds still missing. We're gonna have a few hours of sunny sky, so hopefully they can make it back. All right, guys, see you at the end of the day. All right, guys, so it's Monday, 5:30 p.m. We start today with 7 birds missing, but we got 6 back today, so we just missing 1. 51 out of 52, not bad. So in this section there's 6. The one came back today. You see they kind of tired, so they want to be here for a couple of days with different feed than these ones. These ones looks already way better. All right, guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, the next race. Hopefully we can race next weekend. 150 miles race number 3. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.